Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add location on the Google map. You can add location of your cafe, shop, or your hotel, school or any other location which you want to add on the Google map. You can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Google Map and go to the Play Store and write here Google Map. So after updating Google Maps, open your Google Maps and firstly log in it with your Gmail ID. You can see I have logged it with my Gmail ID. After logging it with Gmail ID, then you will see the options of contribute. Click on it and then you will see the options of add place. Click on here and then you can see add your business to Google for free. So you can add your place in the Google map. So you can see place detail options, provide some information about this place. If this place is added to maps, it will appear publicly. So write your place name here. For example, I am writing Lahore Capital Hotel. After selecting the place name, then select the category. So select category according to you. For example, I am selecting hotel. So after that, select the proper address of your locations. So here you can add a proper address of your locations. So after that, you will see the options of add more detail. So click on here. So when you will click on detail more, you can see hours, contact number, website, about. So if you want to add hour, so you can see edit all hour. So if you want to open your hotel, shop, office, so write here open time and then write here close time. So for example, I want to open my hotel at 8 a.m. So I will select 8 a.m. So after selecting the open time, then I will select close time. So in this way, you can select edit all hours according to you. So if you want to open it on 24-hour, you can select it according to you. So select it according to you, open at 24-hour. So in this way you can add time of your office, shop or any other business. So if you want to close your office, shop, hotel or any others, you can select it according to you. So if you want to close it, then click on close. For example, I want to close it on the Sunday, then you can see I have chosen closed on Sunday. So after that, you will see add photo options. So you can add photo here. So you can add any photo of your place. So after adding any pictures, so you can go back and you will see the options of save and then you will see contact number. So here you can add your contact number. So and then you can see website. So here you can add your website. So after that you will see place photo. So you can add your place photo. Here you can also see opening date, so you can add opening date here. So in this way you can add opening date from here. So after adding all the place, you will click on submit options. So when you will click on submit options, it will take 2 or 3 days and your place will be added on the Google Map. So guys, in this way you can add your locations on the Google Map very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.